You've appealed to Genesis. Genesis 15 says it's Abram, it's pre-Abraham, it's Abram, receives from God the news that his descendants will inherit the land. And you tell me as the theologian if I'm getting this wrong, but from the Euphrates to the Nile. And that would include like basically the entire Middle East, places that are now countries.
But this particular area that we're talking about now is a land that God gave through Abraham to a people that he chose. Christian Zionism, I want to go back because that's where we started.
I'm not going to let you off on this because you have said it 3 times that God gave this land to this people. And so it is entirely fair for me with respect to ask, what land are you talking about?
Dalam wawancaranya dengan Mike Huckabee, Tucker Carlson menyoroti implikasi literal isi Bible di Kitab Kejadian pasal 15. Carlson mempertanyakan, apakah tafsir yang kerap diasosiasikan dengan Zionisme Kristen tersebut secara moral dapat membenarkan klaim wilayah atas bangsa-bangsa lain. Kritik ini sejalan dengan pandangan akademisi yang menilai bahwa beberapa bagian isi Bible memunculkan kesan eksklusivitas etnis, bahkan berpotensi rasis, ketika wahyu digunakan untuk memberi hak istimewa politik dan teritorial kepada satu kelompok.
So God gave that land to his people, the Jews, or he didn't. You're saying he did. What does that mean? Does Israel have the right to that land? Because you're appealing to Genesis.
Yeah.
You're saying that's the original deed.
It would be fine if they took it all.
I told myself, and I said a prayer that I would not get annoyed, but as someone who is, the father of daughters, when I see child molesters hiding in Israel and escaping American justice, I think I have a right to safety in my country too. So you can understand that I think most people feel they have a right to safety. If Israel were to say, God gave us in Genesis 15, all of Lebanon, all of Syria, all the way up to Iraq, would that be legitimate in your view?
I don't think in this particular day and time they're asking for it.
The core of Christian Zionism, you said, and I'm quoting you, is the understanding, the belief, the theological understanding that Jews have a moral and legal, we went through the legal,
biblical,
moral deriving from the biblical, from the promises in our Bible, which we share with the Jewish people, the first part of it, the Old Testament, that it derives from God's promise to the Jews.